What's up, you guys? This video is about how to install a Zizo tempered glass on your iPhone 13 and 13 Pro smartphone. Your package will include a cleaning cloth, alcohol wipe, and some dust remover stickers. These accessories is what you will need to apply your tempered glass to your device. So basically, you want to start out by cleaning the LCD screen very thoroughly with the alcohol cleaning wipe. Then apply the cleaning cloth to thoroughly clean the screen once again. You can also use the stickers to remove any other unwanted particles before applying the glass. Then peel the tab from the left side of the screen protector away from it and apply your tempered glass directly to the LCD. From this point, you can use the cleaning cloth to evenly remove out all the air bubbles between the glass and the LCD. And there you have it. If you've liked this video, please like us and subscribe. And until next time, you guys take good care of yourself, stay blessed, and have a wonderful day.